cutout systems, specifically the stripper. This product is an awesome product at a great price for somebody that is looking to effectively cut out windshields that they're really having a hard time with right now without damaging the body of the vehicle. The product is all hand driven. As you can see, it's built off of a 6-inch curve cup, so it's got a really small profile. You can get this into tight spots. It works great on windshields, quarter glass, and back glass. So anything in the car can be cut out with this tool. It works with cord or wire when you're working with this system. The system is designed and built off of a 6061 aluminum hub. So that hub is wound manually, and as you wind that, you're winding up the cord or wire, and you're cutting out the auto glass. Great product, great price, features the versatility of a quarter glass pulley as well as a quarter glass adapter. You can order this tool through gtglass.com or through an authorized distributor.